make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today. So I am back from my trip to Disneyland Paris, and I went with Holly, obviously. Who else do I ever go to Disneyland Paris with? But we had an incredible time, and as per usual we bought a lot of stuff, and I always go there thinking I'm going to be really good this time and I'm not going to spend a lot of money, but every time I come back with more things than I could possibly ever need. So I thought I would share with you what I got from this trip. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're going to Disneyland Paris very soon, I'm jealous, but let me know when you're going, and do let me know what you end up buying, because I am obsessed with all things Disney. So yeah, I'm going to jump right in, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Before I begin with this video, I would just like to apologise about my nails. I haven't got my nails on and they look really gross and really stumpy and disgusting, so I wanted to just say that because I know they look disgusting and it's going to bother me editing this video, but just need to get it out there. I don't have nails on. So the first thing me and Holly bought were our annual passes. We bought them last year in October, which meant that when we went in November, they had expired. So we had to buy new ones. They were €299, and we got the Magic Plus annual pass. So really excited to have this again. And yeah, this basically gives you 10% off in the parks and on Disney food. And it used to give you free luggage, which now it doesn't. But anyway, we bought our annual passes, and very happy and excited to have these again, which means we can go to the parks whenever we so please. So I'm really excited to have this one back. And we also bought a photo pass, which I don't have because Holly has it, or at least I hope she has it because I don't have it. But we bought a photo pass as well because we actually really enjoy looking back on all the ride photos. They're just really funny, and obviously you get all the character photos too. So we bought that, and that was, I think, €48 maybe, something like that. So really inexpensive, and something really nice to keep as memories too. So those were our first purchases. I haven't really got anything to show you, but that was what we bought. The next thing we got was actually a free item, and that was a Disney Christmas badge, because Holly had seen they were giving out Halloween ones, and we just asked if they had Christmas ones, and because we stayed at the Sequoia Lodge, the lady gave us one, and it was really nice. So I've got my little badge with my name on, so I love that. Really like random, and I didn't buy it, but really cute, so I thought I'd show you that. So something I didn't buy but I did get while I was in Disney was actually Mickey Mouse's autograph, which obviously Mickey Mouse is like top dog, so you really want to get his autograph, and we finally got to meet him this trip. So I've got his autograph, and I thought I'd just show you. I don't know if you can see because the lighting's really bright, but yeah, that's Mickey Mouse's autograph. It was very exciting, and if you haven't seen the vlogs, I filmed the entire greeting experience, and it was so cute and so nice, and it was just like my most favourite bit of the whole trip was just meeting Mickey Mouse, because it was just so magical. So yes, we met Mickey Mouse, that was another thing. If you guys have watched any other Disney hauls on my channel, you will know that every time I go to Disneyland Paris I need to buy another lanyard, and this trip was no different. I needed to buy another one because I filled up all of my other ones with pins, and I think I might get myself like a pin board. My friend Holly has a couple, and it just seems like a really good idea, so I might do that, and then I can actually use my lanyards because I keep having to buy another one. So in this I have my new annual pass, which the photo is the same one because I couldn't really be bothered to take another one. We've been travelling since 4 AM, and I was like, actually I'll just keep it. So I kept the photo the same, and the lanyard that I bought is actually just the classic Minnie Mouse one because I thought it would go with everything, and it was just a sort of standard one, and yeah, that's basically the one I bought. I did see a Christmas one, which I'm really gutted I didn't buy, but I got the Minnie Mouse one, and I'm really happy with it. And obviously we got some pins, so let's go through them all. Unfortunately, I don't know the prices of all of them. I think most of them were $6.99 or $7.99. I don't think I bought any that were any more than that, so I think they're all about the same. So the first one I got was Pinocchio, and Pinocchio looks so cute. I'd not seen this one before. I don't know if it was a new one or not, but he's really cute and just loving life, so I got him. I then got another Stitch pin, and this is the one of him licking his nose, and I didn't need this one, but it was just really funny, so I got this one, and I really like it, and Holly got him as well because she collects Stitch pins. The next one I got was Blue. Now I do have a Jungle Book pin already, which Holly got for me. She got me that and the aliens from Toy Story, but I just wanted the one of Blue on his own because he's just really cute. The next one I got was the Sequoia Lodge pin, which is because we stayed at the Sequoia Lodge, obviously, and I've stayed at Santa Fe and I bought the Santa Fe pin, so when I stay at hotels I like to get these. I don't really like them that much. I think they're kind of like average. Like, I don't think this key looks nice at all, but I just want to collect them and have them all, so I got that one. The next one I got was Dumbo, and if you guys watched my previous haul you'll know that they released these the last time we were there, but they didn't have this one, and this one was just really cute and I just really liked him, so I bought him as well. And my last but no means least was one of the brand new princess pins which came out on the day we left, so I was so lucky to get them, and I got Ariel because she is my favourite. They were all stunning, like all so pretty, and I could have bought them all but I just got one, so I got Ariel because she's my all-time fave. And I'm still yet to meet Ariel because every time we go to the Princess Pavilion she's not in there. It's always Rapunzel or Aurora or Cinderella or something, and I just want to meet Ariel, but one day I'll meet her. But yeah, I got her pin too and I'm absolutely obsessed and I love them all. So yeah, and hopefully that whole clip wasn't really rattly because I realised I've been shaking those about for like the past 20 minutes. Next up we have ears. Now, did I go crazy with ears on this trip? Yes, I did. Did I need all these ears on this trip? No, I did not. But as per usual, I have no control over myself when it comes to Disney ears. I think I just need them all. And I honestly have a disgusting amount. Like, it's ridiculous. And when I get my own house, I have no idea where these are going to go because, yeah, I just have no idea. But I obviously bought quite a few. So the first pair I bought are the ones I'm wearing now, and I've seen these a few years and I definitely think they're kind of like a reoccurring thing, so don't fret, they will be out every year I would imagine. And they're just a really nice red pair with a snowflake kind of design going on with a furry bow. And I wasn't going to get these because they are a little bit different in terms of like the positioning. Like, they look more like the pink ones where the ears are kind of closer together. Do you know what I mean? But I saw them on someone, I was like, I'm just going to get them because I love them and I'm just a really big fan. So I bought these and I wore them on the last day with, or the first day, was it the last day? I think it was the last day with this jumper, I think. Yeah, it must have been. And I just really like them, so that's my first purchase. The next two pairs of ears, one you can get in the park and one I got online. Now, I actually got these online via Holly. So Holly ordered them for me and brought them with her and I completely forgot, so I ended up taking one pair of ears and coming back with 7. Don't know how that happened. The first pair, I'm not gonna lie to you, are probably like my least favourite pair of ears I own. They cost £7, so they were super cheap. But if you guys are gonna go to Disney and you can't afford to buy Disney ears like from the parks at say €20, just get these because they aren't that bad. They're just a little bit flimsy and like they're just not my favourite, but they'll look cute on my wall, so it's fine. And they are these ones. So like these are okay. They're just a bit like, do you know what I mean? Just a little bit flims, so yeah, but they do look cute. And I think if you're going to go on holiday, especially to Florida where I know it costs a lot of money to even go there, just buy these. They're £7, like really cheap and affordable. But yeah, I'll probably wear them in a Disney video at some point, but they're just a little bit flimsy, so I don't know, average purchase. So the next pair of ears are from a collection of which I really wanted the Spirit jersey and I could only find a large and I wear a small, so I couldn't get it and I was gutted. But these are the brand new Frozen ears. I am obsessed with these. They look absolutely stunning for a start. It's very much the same design as the rose gold ears which came out. So they have the really nice sort of soft bow with the sequins and I just think they look stunning. Like, they look so nice. And I kind of wish I wore them for this video because they would have looked really nice with the background. But yeah, absolutely love these. I can't remember how much they were, probably around sort of £20-ish, because ears aren't cheap, but I'm just obsessed with them, so I got these too and I love those. Now, moving on to ears I bought in the park. Obviously I got these, which I'm wearing, but I also saw these Christmas ones, and the reason I bought these is because it went with something which I bought, which I'll show you after all the ears I've bought. I wasn't going to buy these because the first time I saw them I actually really didn't like them, but on they look so much nicer. Well, I think so anyway. But these are just the Holly Christmas ears, which I think Holly needs because they've got Holly on and her name's Holly, but she didn't buy them, so Holly, if you're watching, you need to get these ears because it has your name on it, literally. But these ones are really cute. They've got pine cones on and it's like a Christmas tree design and it's just really adorable and I really like them, so bought these. I think these ones were about $16.99. That's kind of the average pricing for ears now, so yeah, got these ones, love those. The next pair of ears are some which are very similar to the original kind of you can get these anywhere, sort of Minnie Mouse ears, but these are slightly different, and Holly saw them and she was like, you need them, they're basically different, they're not the same. So I bought them, and these are basically the exact same as the original kind of Minnie Mouse ears, but these have smaller polka dots on as well as bigger polka dots. So I got them obviously, and these ones still have the tag on, so these were $16.99 as well, and I just love them, so I got these as well. Do I have any regrets? No, I don't. So I've got those two. The next pair of ears are also part of the Frozen range, and these were, let me just check the price. These were $19.99, but again, once I saw them instantly, I was like, well, I'm going to need to buy them, so I'm just not even going to look at the price. And these are the brand new Frozen ears, which look absolutely stunning. Now, I haven't seen much of these online anywhere. I saw them in one video online and that was it, and I found them in the shops and I was like, give me those ears, I need them now. So I got them, and I'm really, really glad I did. They have a beautiful blue bow with some lovely silver kind of sparkles on and some sparkly snow. I just think they're really, really cute. And I said a few trips ago with Holly, I said, do you know what? They used to have Frozen ears which had like an Elsa button in the middle, and I said, do you know what? They'd be nice ears, but the button just makes them look so tacky, and I'm so glad they've redone them and brought out their own kind of Frozen style, because I just think they're really, really beautiful, and especially at Christmas time, like these are stunning. So I got these two, and they were $19.99, so love those. So the last pair of ears I bought, I don't really understand the collection so much, so if you guys know why they released it, please let me know. But they've kind of released like an American range, and I don't know if that's because in America it came out and then they kind of had extra stock, so they shipped it to Paris. I have no idea. But I saw these and I thought, do you know what, if I ever am lucky enough to go to America again, these are going to look incredible, so I had to get them, and I just really like the design anyway, so I don't really care. I'm going to wear them anyway. But they are literally a Union Jack style, and these ones I think these were $22.99, so a little bit more expensive, but the bow is just so much nicer quality. Like, it's really squishy, really, really thick, and you've got obviously the sequins on the front and on the back, which kind of go in a red and white kind of design, which is probably why it's more expensive. It takes a little bit longer to make, I would imagine. But these are really lovely, and I really, really like them. So yeah, I don't really understand the range. Let me know if you get them. But yeah, got these ones as well. And last but by no means least, what is a Disneyland Paris haul without a Spirit jersey? Now, I seen this one again online and I fell in love with it, and I said to Holly, look, we need these because we need to wear them together for our Disney sort of Christmas trip. And she was like, okay, I'll have a little look at it. But as soon as we saw it in the shops, we both fell in love and we both bought it. And that is the Disneyland Christmas Spirit jersey, which I'm going to be wearing on Christmas Day. I don't even care. It says Merry Christmas on the back, for starters. It's got this beautiful what print is that? Tartan print with Mickey Mouse heads in it. I just think it's stunning. It's so, so nice and festive, and I honestly would wear this all the time if I could get away with wearing Christmas jumpers all the time. So I really, really like it. I think these are about €60, so they are not cheap at all, but obviously we get our discount on top, and I just really, really like it. So I got this, and the reason obviously I bought those other ears is to match this with the green, and I just think it's just really lovely, and I'm a little bit obsessed with Spirit jerseys. I now have 4. So somebody please stop me before I buy a million of them. So that is everything for this whole video. Obviously, if you haven't watched the vlogs yet, please go back and give them a watch. I hope you guys did enjoy following along with me. Editing them, I was so upset because I edited them the day after we got back and I just had really bad withdrawal symptoms. So I really hope you guys did enjoy the videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe because it makes me incredibly happy, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!